Hello, along Dyke Junction. It's a running session. 2 tracks now, fully operational. And the O gauge. Two controllers working, and we got this as well. We got some action up on top. There's a double O gauge. Class 25. Pull in some little wicker coaches. New coaches. Nice. Coaches. As you can see, it's a bit of a building site. Still a lot going on. The top line is running on analog at the moment. I have a little issue today with the controller, the NC controller. I seem to have a fault in here somewhere. There's no power going to the track. The light wasn't coming on, even if you unplugged the... There's not an issue with the track, as you can see. So that is a DCC fitted locomotive, but it's running on DC at the moment. So I have to look into that. So something's gone on this here since it's been moved from one layout to the other. So yeah, have to try and get something sorted. So all I've done at the moment, I've just wired this in temporary, just to get us running, like, you know. So don't take any note to the wiring, it's just sort of had to be done like that. You can see they've been soldered on, the main feeds. The main feeds are soldered on there, and that's where it normally connects into on a male-female, this. And what I used to do is pull it out and then plug it into a programming track. So that's which I've got floating around here somewhere. So yeah, that's just to explain that up there. So I haven't done nothing to it up there, just running a train just to get the effect. Most of my work has been concentrated down here, double tracking this the O gauge layout on Dyke Junction. So I still haven't thought much about what I'm going to do here. Whether they're going to double slit perhaps, or what. I'm still thinking on that one to create some action here, but you know, there's no panic to do all that. It's ample now for the 3 locomotives I've got, plenty of room for them. She runs okay as well. I've got her going today, the shunter. So yeah, probably put a platform back there where that LMS coach is, and then yeah. So we didn't elevate the track after, we just plonked it straight down. It was too much, the elevation, just too much. So it's going to work better like this, and it'll be easier for me to interchange from line to line and to actually store trains in the sheds and park things up in the sidings. So yeah, it's better to leave it as flat on a baseboard. for that. So yeah, that's all it is. The quick update showing you the crack. What are you in the trains? Bye for now. Thanks for watching.